here today to talk to you about pineapple and how you can grow your own pineapple at home. So, I love pineapple, and I decided to just start doing videos about things that I do and sharing it with the world because I know a lot of people don't know how to cut a pineapple. So I said I'll make a video on how to cut a pineapple, which you can catch at the end of this video. But today I'm going to talk to you about growing your own pineapple. So, yummy, right? Love pineapple, super healthy for you. So, yesterday when we cut our pineapple, we took the top off and I just put it in some water like this. Okay, so you want to put it in water for about maybe a week, 2 weeks tops, just to get those roots. You want to get some roots started down here. So here's what happens. After a few weeks, your pineapple looks pretty bad. It looks pretty rough. So it looks like it might die, but trust me, put it in some good soil, some fertilized soil, organic if you like. I just got some dirt from my yard and added some compost. So you just plant it in a little pot, okay? So this I planted probably a month ago and it's looking pretty healthy. And this one is probably maybe 6 months old. Just kept moving the pots bigger because the bigger the pot, the bigger your plant can get. This one is about a year old, and normally, say in Hawaii where I grew up, my mom would put them in the ground and within a year it would grow another pineapple. So I'm here in Louisiana and I have not yet gotten a pineapple, but I did meet a woman who has grown many a pineapple. So in the winter time I have these inside now. Now that the weather's fluctuating down in the 40s, 50s, these are tropical plants. So we're in North Louisiana, so I bring it in when it gets cold. But eventually, a little pineapple will come out of the middle of this plant, and I will have another pineapple. So, you know, it may not stop you from buying pineapples because it takes a year, but it's really cool. Ow. It's really pokey. So, that's pretty much it, guys. Water for a week or two. Then put it in a pot and just keep taking care of it and keep it in moderate temperatures. It doesn't mind the heat. Mine stayed outside in the summertime and it was, you know, 90, 95 degrees this summer. So stay tuned because I'm going to hook the clips of me cutting a pineapple so you can cut your own pineapple very easily. There's a few tricks that make it easier. So don't be afraid. Grow your own pineapple. Cut your own pineapple. This pineapple cost $2.50 and I got like 1.5 of these. So if you bought this already cut up at the store, it would probably cost you like $8 or $9. So definitely I recommend buying your own pineapple and cutting it yourself. And then if you want to, keep the cycle going. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know.